Hi, I'm Keith and I'm going to show you how to change the hydraulic filters on a John Deere 650K. Change the hydraulic filters here. We have two. We have one up front, we have one a little bit further in. Here's the second hydraulic oil filter here. It's the same as the first one, it's the same part number, and those filters are changed. Change the hydraulic filters here. We have two. We have one up front, we have one a little bit further in. I take a drain pan, I get it in here underneath. I use a pair of pliers to get it loose. So we should lubricate the seal up a little bit. Some of the oil dripping out here is clean oil, so we can use that to lubricate the seal. And then we spin the new one back on. Move the drain pan so I don't bump it over. I only do the filter up hand tight, so it makes it easier to change the next time. You have the second hydraulic oil filter here. It's the same as the first one, it's the same part number. A pair of pliers to loosen it off. We can spin it all the way off by hand. It will make a little bit of a mess on us. We're going to use some of the clean oil in the filter housing here to lubricate the seal again. And then we can spin it back on. Only hand tight. And those filters are changed. And that's how you change the hydraulic oil filters on a John Deere 650K. Please support the channel, like, comment, and subscribe.